Welcome to Abhijit's Excel Stat Lab. Today we will cover practical number 6, Summary Statistics 3, that is computation of measures of dispersion for ungrouped data, in which we will compute quartile deviation, variance, and standard deviation by using formula method as well as by using MS Excel commands. Let's move in the Excel file. This is the first question based on ungrouped data. Here we have values under the X column and we have to find quartile deviation, variance, and standard deviation. Let's find quartile deviation by using formula method. Formula for quartile deviation is Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2, where Q3 is the third quartile and Q1 is the first quartile. For quartile Q1, the formula is value of n plus 1 by fourth observation. For quartile third, that is Q3 equal to value of 3 times n plus 1 by fourth observation. So we need to know the value of n. N is the number of values. To find quartiles, first we need to sort the given data. So here the data is already sorted here. Let's see how to sort the data. So this is the original data and here we can see the values are unsorted or not sorted. So to sort this column, first we need to select these values and click on data and click on sort. Click on continue with current selection and click on sort. Sort by X values, sort on cell values, and order by smallest to largest. Just click on OK. So we will get here sorted values. Now, after sorting values, we have to give serial numbers so that we can find that number of observation in the table. So first, here value of n is last value of serial number, that is 25. So we put the value of n, that is 25 plus 1 divided by 4, which gives 26 by 4, and that is after calculating we get answer 6.5th observation. Now we have to split this 6.5 into parts, that is 6th observation, that is value of 6th observation plus that remainder 0.5 into next observation 7th minus current observation 6th. So we split this 6.5 in this way, that is 6, that is integral part plus decimal part 0.5 into next observation 7th minus current observation, that is 6th observation. Now we have to look in the table for 6th observation and 7th observation in the table. So here we can see 6th observation is 17, 7th is 18. So we put values here, 17 plus 0.5 into next observation is 18 minus 17. Now we have to simplify this. 17 plus 0.5 into in this bracket we will get answer 1. So it is 17 plus 0.5, that is 17.5. This is the first quartile. Now we have to find a third quartile. Again we use same steps. Put the value of n here, that is 25. Then here we will get 25 plus 1, that is 26. Then in the next 6.5. Now multiply this 6.5 by 3 times 6.5, we get 19.5. So we have to find value of 19.5th observation. Again split this 19.5 into parts, that is value of 19th observation, and decimal part is 0.5. Next observation 20, current observation is 19. Now look in the table for 19th and 20th observation. So 19th and 20th observation are 13 and 30, 30 and 31. Right here 30 plus 0.5 into next observation is 31 minus current one is 30. Then simplify this, 30 plus 0.5 and subtraction is 1 here. So here we get 30 plus 0.5, that is 30.5. So in this way we found third quartile Q3. Now we put values of Q1 and Q3 in the formula of QD. QD is equal to 30.5 minus 17.5 divided by 2. Subtraction is 30.5 minus 70.5 is 13. Put this value here, 13, and 13 divided by 2 is again 6.5. Let's see, 0.5. So quartile deviation is the 6.5. Now we can find these quartiles Q1 and Q3 by using Excel command also. Excel command is equal to quartile.exe in the bracket, select x values and one for first quartile Q1. So let's see how to find this. Is equal to QUAR dot quartile dot exe, and array means we have to select the x values. So select these x values and press comma and one for first quartile. So we get answer 17.5, which is same as that we have computed using formula method. Again, we will use same command. Quartile.exe, select x values, and instead of 1 we will write 3 and press enter. So we get answer 30.5. Again, using same formula of QD, that is 30.5 minus 70.5 divided by 2, and we get answer QD equal to 6.5. Now we will compute variance and standard deviation using both regular formula method as well as Excel built-in function. So formula for variance is sigma square equal to sum of x square divided by n minus x bar square, and where x bar is equal to sum of x upon n. So we know how to find this x bar. That is, we take sum of x values and divide by n. So first we have to make table of x values which are given in the table, and we have to find x square column. Let me delete this one. How to find this x square column? We have to take x square of x values. We press is equal to, click on this first x value 12, then click on, then press number 2 for square. Now we have to drag this cell down 5, because now drag down this cell to get all square values up to last row. So in this way we found square of all values. Once we give formula for x square in first cell, we can use that formula in next cell by dragging down. Now find sum of x values and sum of x square values. Use function sum. And select values under x column by using this way up to last row and press enter. Similarly, use again sum function equal to sum, select x square values and complete bracket and press enter. So in this way we get sum of x values and sum of x square values, and n is we know that is 20, or we can use count function is equal to count count and select all values, which gives n equal to 20. Sum of x is 600 divided by 25, which gives 600 by 25, 24. So arithmetic mean or x bar is 24. Now we can use this x bar to find the variance. Now here we get answer for sum of x square, that is 15,700. We put here 15,700 divided by 25 minus x bar is 24 and rest to 2. So find the answer for 15,700 divided by 25 is 628 minus square of 24 is 24 into 24, that is 576. Now in the next step we have to do subtraction of these values, that is 52. So variance of the ungrouped data is 52. Now to find standard deviation, we just take the square root of the answer obtained above. We put value here 52 under square root, and now square root of 52 is, that is SQRT of 52. Press enter, that is 7.2111. And 4 decimal, we can keep 4 decimal places. In this way we found variance and standard deviation by using formula method. Now we can find variance and standard deviation by using Excel command. Press is equal to VARP and select numbers. What are the numbers here? Numbers under the X column. Keep in mind, we don't have to select the label. We just have to select only numbers and then press enter. Here we can see is equal to var, and this is the range of values. And for standardization, we use stdevp and select number under X column. Then press enter. Here we can see the answers obtained by using Excel command and answers obtained above by using formula method are same. Now in the next step, we can calculate coefficient of variation by formula methods. Now formula is CV equal to sigma upon X bar. We take ratio of standard deviation. Standard deviation is 7.2111 divided by X bar is 24. So taking ratio of these two quantities, 7.2111 divided by 24, that gives 0.3005. To multiply this answer by 100 to get answer in percent form, that is 30.05%.